So in the next demo, I show you crest-based shaper, and crest-based shaper parameter is controlled on CUC. So I continue from the previous status, and at first I go to this database access and enable crest-based shaper. So here, crest-based shaper policy currently set to 0. So I need to enable this one in 0, 0. And here, reach 0, 1. And write 1. I write data. Then crest-based user list and say a policy enabled and what stream ID for what stream ID crest-based shaper is used for in the list. This is listed up. So I back to CUC screen and make video connection now. Okay, it's running, start running. It's connected, I think. Okay, now it's running. Yeah, video starts coming. Now, looks good picture, running. See how it's shaped. I capture here. You see, no, it's shaped, and there is no burst. Again. Again. It's always shaped, nicely shaped. Okay, so now I run another stream. It's dummy data also, and it's start running dummy data. Okay, it's connected. Then I see. So dummy data is running always, but movie data, this cyan color dot, it's very well shaped. There is no burst. Like this. It's before it was big burst. Everything in a short time. Now it's average, more average, like this. Okay. Now you see the video looks good. Now I change traffic shaper parameter. So if I run with much bigger bandwidth, so let's say 10 times bigger bandwidth for this traffic and update, then what start happening? I should see it's this. Yeah, again, the big bursts start coming, and video sometimes broken. Yes, sometimes broken data coming, and data because we assigned two big bandwidths, so it's allowing many data actually in one slot, 10 packet in one slot, and with that bandwidth it's sending. So if I reduce the size to 5, then it's changed to 5, then I capture again. Yeah, it's less than 5 now, less than 5. So with this, video looks okay, yeah, but maybe sometime still, yeah, compared to exact bandwidth, it's still a kind of burst mode happening. Yeah. So this one is exact bandwidth for this video data. It's actually bandwidth assigned one packet per 250 microsecond. And update again. Then I see, yeah, like this. So what is this? Is CUC control dynamically crystal-based shaper parameter. You saw we didn't disconnect. Dynamically on the fly we applied crystal-based shaper parameter change. So that is no advantage by controlling CUC without disconnecting at the running time on the fly. CUC can apply crystal-based shaper parameter change. Of course, it depends on hardware. If hardware doesn't support that kind of dynamic change function, it cannot. But what we are using now can support that dynamic change. Then CUC can change.